Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto E32 and I'll show you how the fingerprint scanner does on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the power key button on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner on our power key button works here fast and correct, and we just with a simple touch on the power key just unlock the device. We are just not pressing it, I just simply touch it. So as we can see, this option works just correct and fast. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.